Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Adity and happy Halloween, you guys. Like this was this was the first time that I'm trying to create a Halloween look, and I'm so happy and so excited. I really hope you guys will like it as much as I did creating it. And because I am an amateur too, so I picked up something very simple. So I picked the theme spiders, and I tried creating 3D spiders, which I'm glad it is looking 3D because I was very skeptical, but it turned out so good. Like, I am really impressed. So if you are a newbie at these Halloween makeup, then I think this tutorial is perfect for you because this look is very easy. Like, literally you do not need even face paint or anything of that sort. It's very easy. So yeah, if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Also, I was inspired by two very creative ladies, that is Jessica Rose and Sammy, to create this look. I will leave their video link in my description box below so you can check out their version too. So as you can see, I have already done my base makeup and my brows. Now we will just directly move towards our eyes. I'm taking this Revolution Flawless 4 palette, and I'm picking that matte black shade, and I'm going to apply it over my crease. Like, I'm just applying it on top of that. I'm not taking it above it or below it. It's just on top of my crease. Then I'm going to pick a dark chocolatey brown, and I'm going to apply it a little above that black, like just a teensy bit. I'm using my pencil brush to apply all of these colors. I'm just packing it now. I'm not blending it. And then I'm picking an even lighter warm brown shade, and I'm going to apply it on top of that dark brown, like above it. And I'm just slightly blending the edges so that it all looks cohesive and soft. All of these steps will give your eyes a nice depth and will create a very beautiful transition. And then from my Revolution Pro Trends vs Mischief matte palette, I am going to take the shade Upper Hand, which is a beautiful orangey brown color, and I am going to blow out my color, like crease colors, a little higher. Then for my lid area, I am going to take the Maybelline gel eyeliner, and I am going to apply it as a base to my eyeshadow. I'm just applying it till where I have applied my black eyeshadow. I'm not going above it. Don't go above it if you don't want to make it look like a panda eyes. You just have to keep it below the black. Next, I'm going to take that matte black shade from my Flawless 4 palette, and I'm going to apply it on top of that gel eyeliner just to set everything in place and so that it does not crease all the while. Next, I'm just going to take that lighter brown shade, and I'm going to blend everything in. That will just help the eye look more smoother, and also it will just get rid of any stark lines that I would have. Then I'm smoking out my lower lash line with the same black, the dark brown and the lighter brown shade. Then I'm going to take the dark grey shade called Cursed from Trends vs Mischief palette, and I'm going to roughly sketch the claws of the spider. Then next I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty Sketch Eyeliner. This has a very fine and precise tip. It is also quite jet black and is semi-matte. You do not want to take a glossy eyeliner for this step. So I'm just going over the outlines we created. I mean, don't worry if the lines are a little crooked. because Halloween looks are all about scruffy makeup. Next, with the same dark grey shade, I'm going to create shadow of the tentacles. This will just help in making the spider look more realistic. So you just have to draw some crooked lines from the claw part to all the way down where your eyeshadow are. Also, I'm really sorry, I know I'm not doing justice to the verbal explanation, but just keep an eye on whatever I'm doing on the screen, and I'm sure you will just ace the look. Then I realized that the black sketch eyeliner I applied was a little too thin for the claws, so I went ahead and applied the gel eyeliner over it so that our spider does not look malnutritioned. So I think you can just skip the sketch eyeliner part and directly go over with your gel eyeliner to draw the claws. Lastly, I'm going to apply the gel liner on my lower lash line, and I will also be tight lining. Next, I'm going to take another sketch liner that is in that black. So I'm just going to draw few straight lines across my forehead. And then I'm going to create some curved lines over it to mimic the pattern of a web. The trick here is to leave less space between the webs as you go closer to your hairline. Then I took the Swiss Beauty sketch eyeliner again, and I'm going over the spider web we created. I messed up a little here because my liner spilled a lot of product in one area. But when you are doing this, make sure that your lines are thin and straight. Again, creating shadows with the same dark grey shade, I am applying it next to where I applied the straight black lines across my foreheads and above the webs a little bit. This will just give that a 3D effect and will make it look more realistic. And also apologies because I'm going out of frame all the time. That's because I was, I just wanted to see everything really clearly, so I was going very close to the mirror, and you also want to be really close to the mirror when you do this. Then I drew a small spider on my cheek. I lost the actual footage of that, but it was very simple. I just drew a numeric number 8 and then created the claws in the same manner as the eye spider. Again, I'm deepening it with some gel eyeliner and setting it with the matte black eyeshadow and creating some grey shadows for the spider to look more realistic. Finally, I'm taking some white liquid eyeliner. This one is by Bella Voste, and I'm going to create some rough details with it near the joints of the spider's claw, a little bit on its main body and web. Now, I wasn't very particular about this step. I just applied the white wherever I felt like, but girl, this step just took the look to another level and gave the illusion of 3D spider. Also, white liner is a great trick to conceal any mistakes that you made, because I applied it on those parts of the web I thought looked a little too thick, and that just not only saved the look but also gave a three-dimensional effect, which I really loved. Then lastly, just finish off with some mascara and false eyelashes. Next, I'm just going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. And I'm finishing off with a lip crayon from NY Bay. It is in the shade Your Extra Inne. It was a beautiful nude color, but you can definitely switch up the lip color and apply whatever you prefer. You can go with a red, you can go with a black or an ombre lip, whatever you prefer. And yeah, but I personally thought that nude really complemented this look. And yeah, that's all you have to do to achieve this look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you recreate, then please don't forget to tag me, and I would love to see them and give you a shout out. My Instagram link will be in the description box below, along with the product details. Also, make sure you leave a like if you found this tutorial helpful. Have a very spooky Halloween. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.